Right. Yes. Once again, namaste to you all. Welcome back to this today. It's a Friday today, and this is in this class objective preparation class of English subject, lower secondary and secondary licensing examination. And dear fellow teachers, you know very well, we have started discussing over instructional planning. That is very much essential, because without planning we can never reach to the destination, we can never achieve the goal, or the activities that we perform without planning become quite, let's say, unsystematic, quite haphazard, so to make them activities very in order, to make the things in a very meaningful way, we need to make the planning. This is a pre-teaching activity. This is what we have discussed. And we have discussed the types of different instructional plan and their formats in a simple way. So let me talk to you today again. And today we just finished the theory part, and tomorrow we will start the objective and solved from tomorrow. So we finished the theory part today, and you see there are 8 sub-units in secondary licensing examination curriculum of this instructional planning. Okay, let me go without consuming more time in these lectures. What's disabled me? I have been disabled by the WASP to see on the screen. I don't know why. Union Education, please provide me the opportunity of sharing the screen. I've been disabled.
Sir.
Yes, yes.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
मेरो हिजोको छुट्या छ हिजोको स्लाइड देखाइदिनु होला त सर.
All right. This is what I always do. You don't need to say, because I take a little time in doing the revision, and then only
Thank
I
you,
move
sir.
forward. Then only I move forward. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
We started the new unit from yesterday, madam. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That is instructional planning, and you know the meaning of planning. Planning means yojana. शैक्षणिक योजना किन आवश्यक छ? शैक्षिक क्रियाकलापको लागि शैक्षणिक योजना एकदमै आवश्यक छ. It is one of the quality of the teachers. Every teacher should have to make a planning, because it is a type of, let's say, a reflection. It's a mirror for the teacher.
Yes, sir.
Because once he makes the instructional planning, he doesn't have to worry about the things that he is going to perform in the class, because once he has the plan there in his hand, then he moves according to the plan. It's just like a roadmap. So it develops the confidence of the teacher. So lots of advantages of the pre-planning, and the most important advantage is the teaching learning activities will never be, let's say, what we call deviated. deviated, it always moves in the right track. To move the items in the right track in order to achieve the goal, in order to achieve the objectives carried out by the curriculum. You see, English language teaching, the curriculum of English language teaching has certain objectives. For example, to develop the communicative competence, to learn them to be able to read, to learn them to be able to write, to learn them to be able to listen. So, Soren, madam, one thing, teaching English means teaching English skills, English language skills, and teaching English language aspects. Remember that thing. So, skills and aspects are two integral parts. They are two essential parts. Okay, let me try for screen sharing once again. At I am disabled. So first, let me go back to the breakout. I'll go to the main session. Then I will again go and make a complaint over here. Okay, wait, please wait. I will just leave for 1 minute. Breakout room.
लेखिरहनु भएको रहेछ। के भन्छ तपाईँहरूले त्यो भिडियो पाउनु भएको छ नि, त्यो भिडियोबाट पनि हेर्नु न, शुक्रराजजी, गुरुङजी अनि कसले लेख्नु भएको छ अरू? भर्खरै मलाई याद आयो भिडियो चाहिँ, जमुना श्रेष्ठ। त्यो भिडियो हेर्नु पाएको छैन र तपाईँहरूले? हेलो?
हजुर हजुर भन्नु।
त्यो भिडियोमा त सबै देखाइरा हुन्छ क्या, अनि त्यो भिडियो आउने बेला ठ्याक्कै सर्ट स्क्रिन लिनु क्या, सर्ट स्क्रिन लिनु त थाहा छ नि त। भिडियो तपाईँले हेर्नु भएको? भिडियो
छैन नि।
ए ओके ओके, स्टप दैट टपिक्स।
All right, let me start screen sharing now. Yes. Let me go from yes, today is instructional planning. Let us take a little time over the revision, but we have made our today's class. Annual unit plans. Lower secondary licensing just deals with the lesson plans and annual unit plans, and very important in licensing examination, one questions about lesson plan usually appears, because it at least assesses whether the teacher is capable of making the lesson plan properly or not. Okay, it is usually judged. Teachersले lesson plan बनाउन सक्नुहुन्छ कि सक्नुहुन्न भन्ने कुरा. So this is one important question, sir. 5 marks, not a joke. So we have to make it. We have to present lesson planning in a very beautiful way. And how to make a lesson planning by following the format. That's what I will provide in the handout, sir and madam. I will teach you how to make lesson planning properly. So for example, making the lesson plan of teaching one part of grammar. For an example, even teaching article, in an inductive way. Inductive way, let's make a lesson planning. So this is what we can follow ESA model, PPP model, yes, presentation, practice, and production model, whatever. Anyway, I'll look at the secondary licensing a little long. If we have already discussed, 40 marks questions from objective items from the respective subject, secondary licensing, and 40 marks from the objective and 25 marks from the subjective. And you are given, there are two sides. One is the content knowledge side, side A, and pedagogical knowledge side. And the objective question will come from the content knowledge side, and some subjective questions will come from the pedagogical knowledge side. So there is a mixed IR questions, and related, and from education as well, that there will be questions for 35 marks, which we already discussed yesterday about the model. I believe that there was first paper also because of the new curriculum, but there is only one paper, 100 marks, then over for licensing examinations. So just you can concentrate. This is a good thing about you, sir and madam, so that you can concentrate on your subject matter only, so that you can concentrate on the objective questions of the content only, subject matter only. Yes. So right after I finish a little bit more parts, because 6 units are already discussed. This is the 7th unit so far, I think. Then we will go from first and second unit. These are the beginning unit. Language and linguistics is a very advanced unit. And after that, we will have lots of objective question items. Don't worry. We just talked about a good plan is like a roadmap. It's like a roadmap. It's just like a blueprint for an engineer to build the house. By the help of blueprint, we can build. So it's a roadmap. And planning is necessary. Lesson planning, planning, without planning, we cannot reach the what we call desired goal. हामीले इच्छा गरिएको उद्देश्यहरूलाई प्राप्त गर्न सकिदैन. प्लानिङ आवश्यक छ. That is the thing. So कसरी लेख्ने? What is instructional planning? हामी डिस्कस गरिसक्यौँ. हामीले बढी टाइम लगाउँदैन है. प्लानिङ भनेको के हो? रिटर्न एक्टिभिटी हो टु अचिभ द डिजायर्ड गोल. हेर्नुस् है फर्स्ट प्याराग्राफमा. दोस्रो प्याराग्राफमा instructional planning is the ability of the teacher to forecast the future of what? Yes. Instructional planning. अब टिचिङ सँग जोड्नुस्. यो टिचिङ सँग जोड्ने बित्तिकै यो 5 एस्पेक्ट्स अफ टिचिङ भन्ने कुरा आइहाल्छ हैन. What, why, how of the teaching learning activities. And besides that, to whom as well, and where as well, when to teach, when to teach. This also will come. It is a pre-teaching activity that simply guides the techniques. Pre-teaching activities that simply guides the techniques, methodology, materials. First of all, materials collect garner. Yes. What materials should be collected? What methodology should be followed? This is what instructional planning determines. Instruction planning निर्धारण गर्ने कुरा के हो भने कस्तो खालको योजना बनाउनुहुन्छ तपाईले, कस्तो खालको टेक्निक्स युज गर्नुहुन्छ भन्ने कुरा निर्धारण गर्छ. प्लानिङ कुरा गर्नुस्, instructional planning गर्नुस्, अब बल्ल इन ल्याङ्ग्वेज लर्निङ को कुरा गर्नुस्. Instruction, what is instructional planning in isolation is different. यो शैक्षणिक योजना त विषय अनुसार फरक पर्छ. तर हामीले शैक्षणिक योजना के को पढिरहेछौँ? ल्याङ्ग्वेज लर्निङ को पढिरहेछौँ. त्यही भएर ल्याङ्ग्वेज लर्निङ भनेको टु टीच द ल्याङ्ग्वेज स्किल्स एन्ड ल्याङ्ग्वेज एस्पेक्ट्स. Instructional planning is the process of designing overall activities to be performed in the classroom here to develop the important goal of communicative competence of the learner. Simply planning answers 5 broad aspects of language teaching. The aspects of language teaching I राख्छ है कुरा सर एन्ड म्याडम. So let me go ahead. Importance we don't have to say more. Systematic बनाउनलाई, effective बनाउन, purposeful यो मुख्य कुरा purposeful हो है. To make teaching purposeful. Purposeful. To reach the destination गन्तव्यमा पुग्नको लागि हामीलाई planning आवश्यक पर्छ. To provide the right track, to develop confidence, to design teaching, to fulfill 5 Ws, relevant materials and techniques. घरिघरि कस्तो हुन्छ भने we are teaching one part of item in the language classroom. For example, we are teaching the one part of literature, but we are selecting the materials that are quite irrelevant, that are quite, let's say mismatching, not matching. And at that time, then even the language learners, they are not benefited. Students are not, they don't get the फाइदा, they don't get the advantage. So हामीले यदि तिनीहरूलाई आवश्यक पर्ने खालको materials select गर्यौं भने बडो अनि त्यो राम्रो हुन्छ. So planning helps us to think about the materials that are quite relevant. एकदम सान्दर्भिक खालको relevant खालको material हामीले select गर्न सक्छौं. अनि यो मुख्य instructional planning को मुख्य उद्देश्य चाहिँ के हो भने to evaluate the learners है. To evaluate the learners, to give them feedback, and not only to evaluate the learners, to reflect, the assessment of one teaching. If the student has not learned well, then teacher has to realize that my teaching may not be perfect. This the teacher has to think. So it somehow gives us a type of self-reflection. तपाईले सर बुझिएन भन्नु हैन ए मैले के कुनै कुरा चाहिँ भन्न मैले गल्ती गरेँ कि मैले छुटाएँ कि हैन त्यो कुरा भन्न पर्ने कुरा भन्न कि भन्ने कुरा यो एक किसिमको सेल्फ रिफ्लेक्सन को लागि टिचरलाई काम गर्छ very well. So to assist the language learning and to provide feedback, no doubt. Language testing to the right, yes. All right, types of instructional plan. You are excused, madam. I don't understand what you mean. You know, madam. Okay. We have 4 types of instructional planning. This is what we already discussed. Let me mute.
यो नेपालीको ग्रुपमा को जोइन भएको छ यो कृष्ण सरको ग्रुपमा यो किन यो आवाज आइराछ
First let me mute a little and for I'm muting you, don't worry. And I will allow some of you all. If I allow the same people, then you might complain. There are always same people. So let me source the new participants. Yes. Parmila Gosal ji, are you listening to me? Pratibha Podel ji. Tell me yes, sir. Nut Chandra Thapa ji. Are you listening to me? Please unmute yourself and say yes, sir. Yes. And listen to me, sir, not Sundar sir. They are not responding to me. That is the problem. Even I have allowed Goma Sapkota ji as well. Please unmute your device and
Yes, sir.
say yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, thank you, thank you. Just respond me. If there is a problem for me to select the students. For me, all the students are equal. All you are not a student. Over here in this platform, you are a student, but you are a student teacher, and you are fellow teachers as well. Some of you are still working, and some of you are willing to work. That is a good thing. Okay. Thank you, thank you. That's you. Okay. Listen to me well and understand as well. What is academic calendar? If somebody asks you questions, then how do you answer? So academic calendar is just like the calendar, general calendar, but it is the calendar of a particular institute. This is your answers, okay? For example, academic calendar is the calendar prepared by this, institute, academic institute. Simply, it is mainly prepared by the headmaster of the school to talk about overall working days of the school. Yes, working days. To talk about the special programs of the school done in every month. Yes, ECA programs and schools programs. So this is all about that, and it talks about all the months. That's what we can say. So it's a plan of school pointing different operations of the school according to the calendar. So it is called operational calendar. According to the calendar, yearly calendar, different operations are there included. Sorry, madam. यो चाहिँ हेडमास्टरले बनाउनुहुन्छ हैन, कोअर्डिनेसन चाहिँ सबैको हुन्छ। अहिले चाहिँ लोकल स्थानीय लोकल लेभलबाट क्यालेन्डर आउँछ हैन, स्थानीय निकायबाट। Even the school itself also can publish the one calendar following the municipality, or let's say village municipality, rural municipality, calendar. All right. So this is an example. Annual plan के हुन्छ, and it is a plan made by the respective subject. Annual plan भित्र अब हामी सब्जेक्ट टिचरले गरिहाल्ने कुरा हुन्छ। सब्जेक्ट टिचरले आफ्नो कोर्स कुन महिनामा कति लाने, कति युनिट लाने, यो कुरा चाहिँ के हुन्छ, एनुअल प्लानमा हुन्छ। अब त्यसलाई एक्सप्रेसन गर्नु पर्यो इङ्ग्लिशमा। Makes a teaching plan of a whole year by dividing the course to be taught in every month or terminal. The course को कुरा हुँदैन त्यो एकेडमिक क्यालेन्डरमा। एकेडमिक क्यालेन्डरमा how many days are open, how many days are closed. Yes, what are the programs, special programs? This is talk pictured in the what we call academic calendar or operational calendar. But in annual plan, the subject teacher divides the course to be finished in each month according to the working days, or according to the working days designed or allocated by the academic calendar. Okay, so annual plan follows the academic calendar, no doubt. But if there are division of the units, then there are certain objectives of that units as well. यो युनिट को के अब्जेक्टिभ हुन्छ एउटा जनरल अब्जेक्टिभ राख्न सक्छौं है this is what we can do we can look at the format is very important. Once you see the format, then you understand months, working days, unit, objectives, total periods, methods, materials, evaluation, method, materials. Planning means method and material and evaluation. Remember that. Evaluation is a very important part of planning. Language testing must be done. So this format you can understand. Now, what is unit plan? To be taught in a week. It is also made by a subject teacher. This unit plan is based on the annual plan. Yes, it is at the micro level, and unit plan somehow bridges the gap between the annual plan and lesson plan. यो बिचको हैन त्यसले एनुअल प्लान र लेसन प्लानको ग्यापलाई ब्रिज गर्छ यो महिनामा कतिवटा युनिट पढाउनु भन्नेको छ 4 वटा युनिट पढाउनु भन्नेको छ 3 टा युनिट पढाउनु भन्नेको छ भनेपछि यो हप्तामा यो युनिट पढाउने त्यसपछि यो हप्तामा यो सन्डेमा के गर्ने मन्डेमा के गर्ने यो युनिट प्लानमा गर्न सक्छौं अनि कस्तो कस्तो अब्जेक्टिभ्स गर्ने यसमा पनि मेथड के गर्ने मटेरियल के गर्ने इभ्यालुएसन के गर्ने त्यो मेथड मटेरियल इभ्यालुएसन यसमा पनि आउँछ है सरिन म्याडम अब्जेक्टिभ पनि आउँछ ओके look at the format date teaching items objectives materials methods evaluations this is a very important thing the most important part is lesson planning and lesson planning you understand what is lesson planning is a systematic lesson plan is a daily lesson plan so it does mean that systematic presentation of the activities to be performed in a day right to be performed in the day in order to fulfill the certain objectives specific objectives lesson plan describes overall activities to be done or daily lesson plan here not lesson plan or daily lesson plan even here daily lesson plan we are not reading what is lesson plan only we are reading what is daily lesson plan so daily lesson plan describes overall activities methods right even includes techniques to be presented in the classroom in order to fulfill certain objectives this very important thing is objectives and lesson plan is based on the unit plan and let's say annual plan and academic calendar at the end at the high level okay what is lesson planning daily lesson plan 5 organs 5 parts guides teachers what to do in the classroom orderly for effective teaching learning systematic record of overall activities to be done in a single classroom systematic plan systematic record of overall activities to be done in a single classroom in a single class in order to meet the specific objectives okay this is very important thing about so unit plan भित्रको टिचिङ आइटम हुन्छ युनिट भित्रको पनि सब युनिटहरु हुन्छ नि बिना चाहिँ सब युनिट लेसन टपिकहरु चाहिँ हामीले त्यो आइटम्स राख्न सक्छौं लेसन टपिक्सहरु पनि आइटम्स गरेर यो लेसन प्लानमा पनि युनिट त लेख्नु पर्छ नि त युनिट टु मेन्सन द युनिट इभन इन द लेसन प्लान हामी बल्ल लेसन टपिक लेख्छौं Unit vidra, kun unit vidra. For example, subject English, unit grammar, lesson topic, article. The article is an item of one item of the grammar of the grammar English. Okay, you can look at the format, and everybody knows. And this is what I will give you the hands out. I will make some lesson planning tomorrow. Tomorrow is the job of at least one lesson plan. I will show you just one lesson plan, and I will show you in ESA format and objective questions tomorrow. Well, tomorrow means Saturday is holiday and Sunday morning. Sunday morning को काम बुझ्नुस् है. One lesson plan and objective questions practices. अनि Monday चाहिँ हामीले दुईटा क्वेशन यसो लेसन प्लानिङ को दुईटा क्वेशन यो लेसन प्लानिङ को सन्डे चाहिँ भ्याउँछौँ हैन एउटा प्लानिङ लेसन प्लान लेसन प्लान बाहेकको अरु क्वेशनहरु चाहिँ मन्डे गर्छौँ. Still 2 more days we take for to finish this, and after we go to the next unit. फेरि यो अर्को युनिट गएपछि फेरि यो युनिटमा ब्याक हुन चाहिँ भ्याउ हुन्छ कि त्यो भरि यो युनिटलाई सकेर हामी हामीले सबै डिटेलली सकेर जाने. ओके सर एन्ड म्याडम, perhaps you will agree with me. अब लेसन प्लान को इम्पोर्टेन्स के छ भन्दाखेरि व्हाट इज द इम्पोर्टेन्स अफ लेसन? गाइड द टीचर्स, यस, टु डिटरमाइन द स्पेसिफिक ऑब्जेक्टिव्स. ल भन्नुस् त, टु डिटरमाइन द स्पेसिफिक ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, टु move teaching learning activities in the right way, right track, right, to make the lesson the classroom activities very purposeful, to select the certain materials, methods, yes, to evaluate the learners. Or bonus the yes, I think this is today's topic, value and importance of lesson planning. It is an orderly preparation of all the activities developed by a teacher to be done in the classroom. What is lesson planning once again? Orderly preparation of all the activities, very orderly and systematically presentation in a hierarchical way. So at first teacher motivates the learners by asking some brainstorming questions. And सुरुबाट मोटिभेसनबाट सुरु भयो नि त, एकदम फर्स्ट सेकेन्ड थर्ड अब सुरुमा प्रेजेन्टेसन होला अनि सरले प्र्याक्टिस गर्न दिनु होला अनि त्यसपछि फेरि प्रोडक्सन गर्ने लेभल आउला. PPP मोडल, प्रेजेन्टेसन, प्र्याक्टिस एन्ड प्रोडक्सन. So this is what, yes, it is an orderly preparation of all the activities developed by a teacher to be done in the classroom. It is a mirror for the teachers to teach the lesson effectively. So lesson plan is important because it is a mirror of the teacher. Yes. It is a kind of, let's say, it's a synopsis. It is a summary of all the activities to be performed. हैन, mirror जस्तै काम गर्छ यसले. Yes. To finish the lesson time consuming. Yes. To give feedback teachers as well, and the student teacher makes the confident. To make the teaching learning more interactive, enjoyable. Very good, very good. Amish sir, your answer is fine. To help the teachers to build the confidence and mindset to deal with all the possible questions raised by the students. He simply prepares. If he is going to teach the particular topic, the student might be able to ask these questions. Then I will be answering in that way. Then he prepares. He makes a mindset. It guides the teachers to move in the right track to meet the pre-specified objectives. Very important point. It guides the teachers to move in the right track to meet the pre-specified objectives. It enhances the comprehension. It enhances the comprehension and language learning because it presents the activities in a meaningful order. यसले के बनाउँछ comprehension बढाउँछ भनेको बुझाइ बढाउँछ understanding बढाउँछ and language learning because it presents the activities in a meaningful order. Meaningful means coherent order. COHERENT, coherent. You know very well. Plan of teacher has to evaluate the student and provide feedback. In fact, a lesson plan is a friend, guide, mirror, facilitator, the route to teach the destination, to reach the destination set by the curriculum. How nice sentence. You can look at that sentence. Our lesson plan is a friend, sathi ho, guide ho, mirror ho, facilitator ho. So, and the route to reach the destination. It's a roadmap. Everybody knows. Go on. So the teaching right track to teach the materials correctly. Very good. To determine the locally available materials, low cost, no cost, low cost, no cost, and that kind of materials can be brought for effective teaching. For example, if he is going to teach the life of the plant, let's say anatomy of the plant, then he can pluck out one plant from the field and bring it to the classroom, relia. He can show the relia, right? And he can teach the students about the leaves, stem, and the roots, about the anatomy of the plant, okay, the structure of the plant. To develop the positive thinking of the learners towards the teachers as a role model source of inspiration. Very important, positive thinking. Yes. If a teacher teaches according to the plan, then the teaching will be very much effective, sir and madam. For example, it is also my planning. I already prepared what I am supposed to teach today. I already prepared it yesterday. So this is a sort of planning, and that planning is the guide for me. And if I move according to the planning, then what happens? Then it won't be haphazard, and the class will be effective. And once the class will be effective, then the students, they develop the very positive attitude towards the teachers. So teachers nicely, at least we are getting enough materials. Personally, important value of lesson planning point we understand. कसैले what is the importance of lesson planning भन्ने क्वेशन एक्जाममा आयो भने हामी यसरी यो प्रेजेन्टेसन मात्रै गरेर पुग्दैन सर एन्ड म्याडम, यो पीपीटी, यो पावर पोइन्ट स्लाइड मात्रै हेरेर त हामीले टन्न लेख्न त टन्नै लेख्नु भएछ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 दसवटा छ हैन, तर पनि यति मात्रै लेखेर एक्ज्याक्टली हुँदैन। अब यसलाई ब्याकग्राउन्ड कसरी मिलाउने होला हो, त्यसको लागि यो ह्यान्ड्स आउट, यही क्वेशन पनि हामीले ह्यान्ड्स आउटमा अर्कै लेख्छौं, थोरै अलि मिलाएर लेख्छौं। The presentation and that answering, while answering in the examination, how to answer in a proper way, that is also you will get. So in my personal idea, in my personal let's say originality, maulikta, what we call, yes, what, when, yes, this to meet the 5 aspects of language teaching: what, why, when, how. Yes, and this thing are discussed over there. To whom, right? Who to teach? Kalai padhauna. We have to teach the lesson. We have to make the lesson planning according to the level interest of the language learners. So who to teach is also very important. Who are the target people? Collect kun level ke student la padhauna. That is very important. अब हामी यो लेसन प्लानिङ को के भयो इम्पोर्टेन्स जान्यो हैन अब हामी क्यारेक्टरिस्टिक्स अब लेसन प्लान को क्यारेक्टर कस्तो होला कस्तो खालको क्वालिटिज हुनुपर्ने क्यारेक्टरिस्टिक्स मीन्स क्वालिटिज व्हाट आर द क्वालिटिज प्लीज गेस एन्ड प्लीज राइट इन द च्याट बक्स लेसन प्लान कस्तो हुनुपर्ने भेरी बिग एडभान्स्ड के हुनुपर्ने भन्नुस् त please write in the chat box. Objective should be clear first. Objective. Dina ji, very good, very good. Dina, your answer is nice. Please produce more. Should include all the subject, all 5 aspects. Yes. Purposeful, effective. Very good, Kaviraj sir. Go on, go on. Yes, effective. Don't write direct message, write everyone message. Redmi ji, you just, I have to say Redmi ji, you please rename your device. Choose low and no cost materials. Qualities of lesson planning. Lesson plan should lesson plan should be what type? For example, the candidate, even a teacher who is going to teach in the school must be very energetic, dynamic. Yes. In the same way, qualified, competent, enthusiastic, very interested. Should be level wise. Okay. Let me go. Do you get the idea? Brief, concise, CONCISE. This is also called. Everyone. CC was the clear. Clear and concise. Well written. So lesson planning is not in spoken form, sir and madam. Lesson plan must be a well written. It is in written form. So what are the qualities of the lesson planning? Lesson plan is a written form, is a written document. Lesson plan is a written document. So it should be well written. Okay, that is the thing. Link with the previous knowledge. Lesson plans should be connected with the list in a previous knowledge. So it should not go beyond their capacity and knowledge. It is a sort of chronological linkage, connections with there. So lesson plan should incorporate, should possess, should consist. Lesson plan lesson plan should contain, CONTAI and contain. Lesson plan should incorporate. Please yo vocabulary badhaunus hai sir and madam. Lekhni writing ma vocabulary badhaunus. So हेर्नु है मैले chat box मा लेखिदिन्छु. Direct message नलेख्नु न. content. Compass, right? This thing, incorporate it. So consists, possesses, encompasses, links. Link with previous knowledge. So भनेको यसको यो भित्र हुनु पर्यो भन्नु चाहिँ lesson plan should contain, should possess. Lesson plan should be child centered. Lesson plan should be flexible, comprehensible. Should be गर्नुस् है. Lesson plan should have summary of the whole lesson. I mean, lesson planning ko to duita matlab teacher presents in the classroom, presents, for example, teacher presents the materials in the class, then finished. त्यति मात्रै हैन. Teacher asks the question, मतलब के questions सोध्ने हो? Teacher asks the questions, then what questions? Suppose the lesson planning ma, then if you are a student of, you know, even it begins from +2 level. If you are a student of, you know, education, we are a student of education, no doubt, and in the +2 level and in bachelor level as well, teaching practice session comes, and even in the master level, degree level also. Online activity, on campus activity, and off campus activity we do. It's on campus, you know, planning, and off campus as well. So we understand that we must have a good practices. I mean, how should we write? Specific objectives flexible, comprehensible, summary of the whole lesson, assignments, teachers self-evaluation, right? So these are the qualities. Sorry, madam, please do this screenshot. Very important qualities that good lesson plan should have. Okay. And any problem with the points, please write in the chat box. If you don't understand any problem over that characteristics. Characteristics means qualities, features. Okay. It should give the assignments. Lesson plan should make lots of engaging activities. Assignments means engagement. And learners should be well assigned about the different works. They are assigned in the they are assigned individually, or peer work or group work can be assigned. Or even, you know, assignment like even home assignment can be given. What is the intention of home assignment? Home assignment, the intention of home assignment is to make sure whether they are engaged at the home or as well, to make sure whether they have comprehended, to make sure whether they are well interested to do that thing repeatedly at home. So homework repeat गर्ने काम हुन्छ नि त, repeat, whether they are interested to do the same thing repeatedly. मैले आजको हिजोको कुरा फेरि आज पनि मैले सरस्वती सुरुबाट मैले गरे. Are you interested for doing the revision or repetition? That thing comes. Yes. रमेश सरले एउटा स्लाइड हाल्नु भएको थियो नि, के रे रमेश सरले एउटा सूचना गर्नु भएको थियो. तपाईको टेक्निकल प्रब्लम छ भने कति बजेदेखि इन्डियन एजुकेसनको एपमा आउनुहोस्, जोइन हुनुहोस्, अनि त्यो टेक्निकल साथीहरू हुनुहुन्छ इन्डियन एजुकेसनको, उहाँहरूले हेल्प गर्नुहुन्छ भन्ने कुरा मैले। बेलिमाजी, you do have often the problem, so the planes this time it's a reading time, so planes fix your problem, okay, with the help of technicians. This is my advice. Let me go to the next. Essential elements of a lesson plan. What are the essential elements of a lesson plan? What are the 5 organs? What are the 5, let's say, components? Essential elements, you see, components of lesson plan as well. Components. Components. Essential components of lesson plan. The most important thing is specific objectives. You know, each and every lesson planning should be objective oriented. Means the main target of lesson plan is to determine, fix whether the assigned objectives, whether the, you know, let's say, determined objectives are fulfilled or not. A very important thing. Our objective कस्तो हुने त फेरि, objective and qualities हुन्छ। objective कस्तो खालको objective select गर्ने, objective should be specific हुनु पर्यो, के भएर नामै specific objective छ, measurable हुनु पर्यो, नाप्ने खालको हुनु पर्यो, त्यो जुन चाहिँ मेजर गर्न सकिने खालको हुनु पर्यो। सो understand, think, हैन, त्यस्तो कुराहरु शब्द राख्नु भएन। use, write, read भन्ने शब्द राख्नु पर्यो, जुन चाहिँ measurable हुन्छ। achievable हुनु पर्यो, achieve गर्न सकिने खालको हुनु पर्यो, realistic हुनु पर्यो, time bounded हुनु पर्यो। त्यही भएर यसलाई स्मार्ट भन्छ हैन। S भनेको स्पेसिफिक, M भनेको measurable, A भनेको achievable, realistic भनेको R, T भनेको time bounded. Means specific objectives should have smart qualities. Sir and madam, specific objectives should have smart qualities. Similarly, the teachers should include the cognitive domain. There are, you know, cognitive domain, affective domain, psychomotor domain. Yes, sir. Cognitive domain हुनु पर्यो, affective side हुनु पर्यो, psychomotor means क्रियात्मक पनि हुनु पर्यो, psychomotor. So action oriented हुनु पर्यो, knowledge oriented हुनु पर्यो, both oriented, perception oriented हुनु पर्यो। सबै खालको क्षेत्र भन्न खोजेको भेरी क्लियरली के भन्छ, एउटा प्यासेज दिनु भयो भने प्यासेजको क्वेशन चाहिँ सबै 5वटै क्वेशन छ, 5वटैमा वाट गर्नु हुँदैन। एउटामा वाट गरियो भने अर्कोमा हाउ गर्नु पर्यो, अर्कोमा वाइ गर्नु पर्यो, अर्कोमा व्हेन गर्नु पर्यो। भनेपछि एउटै खालको क्वेशन दियो भने, एउटै कग्निटिभ डोमेन मात्रै खालको भयो भने त डु यु अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड, सपोज हाउ डु यु एनालाइजिङ खालको, कग्निटिभ खालको, पर्सेप्सन खालको, एफेक्टिभ खालको। तो यो कग्निटिभ, एफेक्टिभ र साइकोमोटर डोमेनको सबै खालको अब कग्निटिभ डोमेनलाई कस्तो खालको भावले डिटरमाइन गर्छ त, एफेक्टिभ डोमेनलाई कस्तो खालको भावले डिटरमाइन गर्छ, साइकोमोटर डोमेनलाई कस्तो खालको भावले डिटरमाइन गर्छ। दिस इज भेरी इम्पोर्टेन्ट थिङ। हामीले स्पेसिफिक, फर एक्जाम्पल के गर्छौं, एट द एन्ड अफ टिचिङ द लेसन टपिक द स्टुडेन्ट विल बी एबल टु गर्छौं नि हैन, or by the end of teaching the lesson student will have been able to गर्छौं नि, able to पछि के राख्ने, कुन कस्तो खालको भाव राख्ने, भेरी इम्पोर्टेन्ट। अब सेकेन्ड पार्ट भनेको टिचिङ मटेरियल्स हो। There are 2 types of teaching materials, daily used and specific materials. Relevant, locally available and flexible materials should be brought. Flexible हुनु पर्यो, लोकली अवेलेबल हुनु पर्यो, इफेक्टिभ हुनु, रिलेभेन्ट हुनु, मुख्य कुरा भने सान्दर्भिक हुनु पर्यो। एउटा कन्टेन्ट एउटा छ अनि अर्कै खालको मटेरियल ल्याएर त्यो that is not working. Teaching material is needed. We understand the essential elements of a lesson plan. हामी पढिरहेछौं टपिक, हामी पाँचवटा एलिमेन्ट्सहरु पढ्ने। Yes, essential elements of lesson plan continue. Teaching learning activities, answers of the what and how aspects of language teaching. So what र how aspect कुरा चाहिँ यो teaching learning activities मा बढी हुन्छ। के कुरा पढाउने हो? Teacher presents what and how. The activities must be coherent, illustrative, objective based. So activities चाहिँ के हुनु पर्यो? Objective लाई फुलफिल गर्ने खालको हुनु पर्यो। माथि objective चाहिँ एउटा खालको, तर activities चाहिँ मिसम्याच भयो भने त्यो कुरा एकदम हेरिन्छ है सर एन्ड म्याडम। तपाईले बनाएको लेसन प्लानिङ मा माथि चाहिँ एउटा objective एउटा राख्नु भएको छ। मैक्सिमम बढ्दा अब्जेक्टिभ चाहिँ दुईटा भन्दा बढी सेलेक्ट नगर्ने, दुईटा अब्जेक्टिभ सेलेक्ट गर्ने, दुईटा अब्जेक्टिभ चाहिँ एकदमै क्लियर खालको त्यो टिचिङ लर्निङ एक्टिभिटीले भेट्ने खालको बनाउनु पर्यो। PPP model or ESA model are two most common sequence of activities of the lesson planning. Presentation, practice and production, PPP, and ESA engage, study and activate. These two models are very common model practiced. Okay, in our while making the lesson plan, you understand. So teaching learning activities, very important thing is the instructional activities. It is also called. So it's very important part. Evaluation, an important part of lesson planning to determine whether the objectives are fulfilled or not. It not only assesses the learners, but also works for self-reflection for the teachers. Homework. This is an assignment given at the end of the lesson teaching. It makes sure how well students get engaged in learning out of the classroom. It helps to solidify हाम्रो नलेजलाई सोलिडिफाई गर्नु पर्यो, एकदमै कन्क्रिटाइजेसन गर्नु पर्यो, कन्क्रिट गर्नु पर्यो, एब्स्ट्र्याक्ट नलेजलाई कन्क्रिट गराउनु पर्यो। यो चाहिँ लेसन प्लानिङको काम हो। सोलिडिफाई, कन्सोलिडेट द नलेज अफ द पर्टिकुलर लेसन, दिस यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड। Okay, essential elements of lesson planning. This is the previous slide. Essential elements of lesson planning. Specific objectives. It must be smart type, and yes, it stands for specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time bounded. Teaching materials. And we have discussed this altogether 5. Lesson planning sequences अब आजको टपिक धेरै थियो, रिभिजन गरे। अब ESA मोडल जाउँ है। Lesson planning sequences. ESA model is also called straightforward lesson sequence. Straightforward हो यो, पुरा एकदम सीधा खालको। त्यसलाई एंगेज गराउने, स्टडी गराउने अनि एक्टिवेट गराउने। Here, teacher first engages student by creating situation, by showing the picture, or guessing the theme. First engages the learners. Then during study, learners read, think, and share the ideas. Linguistic items are discussed over this stage. Nice. During the study stage, they practice it. The practice stage, study भने बुझ्नुस्। एक्टिवेट भनेको प्रोडक्सन हुने बुझ्नुस् के। ई भनेको इंगेज भनेको यो प्रेजेन्टेसनको स्टेज हो, एस भनेको प्र्याक्टिस स्टडी हो, ए भनेको प्रोडक्सन, एक्टिवेट गर्ने भनेको प्रोडक्सन गर्ने, प्रोड्युस गर्ने। स्टुडेन्ट स्टार्ट प्रोड्युसिङ, यस स्टार्ट पछि प्रोड्युसिङ हुनुपर्ने है, प्रोड्युसिङ द ल्याङ्ग्वेज। दे कन्क्लुड द लेसन 2, मीन्स कन्क्लुडिङ, समराइजिङ, TSA is also called the language teaching principles. It is also called the language teaching principle. Now tax-based model and PPP model. That thing is. Let me go with the tax-based model. Your activities are based on the tax then. Learners get good opportunity in language teaching. You know, tax giving is a very important thing. Get good opportunity to discuss upon the tax in order to develop the communicative competence. This is a tax. One tax like fulfill गर्नको लागि के गर्न सकिन्छ जस्तै planning a trip planning गर्दाखेरि जस्तै what are the tax is a planning a trip is one tax, and students are asked to design the activities to be done before for planning a tax, for planning a trip, writing a letter, cooking something. For a tax there to tax लाई assign गर्नको लागि काम गर्ने के काम गर्न सकिन्छ ट्याक्स भित्र के assign के डिस्कस गर्न सकिन्छ इज अ ट्याक्स बेस्ड मोडल हो है सर एन्ड म्याडम त्यस पर्टिकुलर काम दिएर अनि त्यस भित्र त्यो काम भित्र अनि इन्टरेक्सन गर्ने अनि पीपीपी मोडल भनेको पीपीपी स्ट्यान्ड्स फर प्रेजेन्टेसन प्र्याक्टिस एन्ड प्रोडक्सन एट फर्स्ट द कन्टेन्ट्स आर प्रेजेन्टेड बाइ द टिचरले प्रेजेन्ट गर्नुहुन्छ then a lot of practice is done. Finally, the learners are encouraged to produce what they have learned. It is the most common lesson planning sequence practiced throughout the world. Your PPP model भनेको सबभन्दा बढी प्रयोग हुने मोडल हो है सर एन्ड म्याडम. PPP मोडल भनेको संसारमा सबभन्दा बढी प्रयोग हुने मोडल हो. So this is very important thing. ESA model, once again, ESA model, tax-based model, and PPP model. Okay, of lesson sequencing, eh? Lesson plan sequences. This is all about that. Okay, so you can now correlate with your content. Any content missing there, then you can discuss. Right now I'm going to stop sharing. Yes, I allow you to open to talk openly, no problem, for last minute. Yes, sir and madam, we have finished instructional planning. How do you feel? Because we took a little time for the revision as well, and we went to the lesson planning, value of lesson planning, importance of lesson planning, elements of lesson planning, components. Elements means components, qualities of lesson planning.
सर यो सिक्वेन्स भनेको के हो? मिनिङ अफ सिक्वेन्स
सिक्वेन्स भनेको टिचिङ लर्निङ एक्टिभिटिजलाई कसरी एरेन्ज गर्नुहुन्छ भने सिक्वेन्स भनेको एउटा एरेन्ज गर्ने एउटा अर्डर हो कि
ओके
क्रम हो क्रम
ओके
क्रम तपाईको टिचिङ लर्निङ एक्टिभिटिजलाई कुन क्रममा राख्नुहुन्छ भन्नुहुन्छ मोडल छ हैन पीपीपी मोडल ESA मोडल भनेको त्यो अनुसार कुनमा राख्नुहुन्छ भन्ने कुरा हो. एनीवे अब सन्डे चाहिँ हामी दुईटा काम गर्छौं है. एउटा क्वेशन चाहिँ एउटा लेसन प्लानिङ सो हुन्छ, ह्यान्ड्स आउटै हुन्छ है. लेसन प्लानिङको एउटा चाहिँ लेसन प्लानिङ ह्यान्ड्स आउट, एउटा चाहिँ अब्जेक्टिभ क्वेशन्स. अनि मन्डे चाहिँ हामीले दुईटा क्वेशनको उत्तर गर्छौं. यो अलि यो 5 मार्क्स को सब्जेक्टिभ क्वेशन आउने हो गरे अनि लगभग अल टुगेदर तीनटा क्वेशनको ह्यान्ड्स आउट पाउनुहुन्छ है. तपाईले एकदमै एउटा कुरा चाहिँ एकदमै तपाईहरु पढ्ने हो हैन. तपाईले एउटा कुरा बुझ्नुस्, पढ्ने आफैले हो हैन. हामी अहिले अवेलेबल TSC को कति छ वेबसाइट हो, कति एउटा इन्स्टिट्युटहरु छन् हुनुहुन्छ हैन. सबैमा टिचरहरु पनि टन्नै हुनुहुन्छ. सबै जति जे पढेको पढ जति त्यो हेरेर भद्रको तरिका हेर्दाखेरि एउटाले एउटा पढाइरा हुन्छ, एउटाले एउटा पढाइरा हुन्छ. मैले पनि हेरेर सबै लाइक मेरो पनि पेजमा सबै लाइक छ हैन. फेसबुकमा आइरा हुन्छ. अनि त्यसपछि तपाईले एकदमै तपाई पढ्ने, तपाईले एकदम प्लान बनाएर कुन युनिटको मैले के पढ्दैछु, कुन टपिक पढ्दैछु, यो टपिक भित्र मैले के जानेको छु, जान्न पर्ने के हो, सबै कुराहरू तपाईँले वेल प्लान गराएर यो सक्नु प्लानिङ हैन, यो तपाईँको प्लानिङ अफ हैन गेटिङ पासिङ द युसी लेट्स से आयो यो कुरा, यो लाइसेन्स आयो हैन, लाइसेन्समा कुनै पनि ब्याक नहोस् के। अब त माइ पनि तपाईँको ब्याचलर सर्टिफिकेट छ भने माइ पनि भन्नुहोस्, मिलाइ भन्नुहोस् हैन, आज उस भन्नुहोस्। अब
गुड मर्निङ सर।
यस अनि त्यसपछि गर्नुहोस्। हुन्छ, गुड मर्निङ बेलिमायाजी, जस्ट मेक अ क्वेसन्स।
हजुर सर आज छुट्टी हो कि मेरो?
ए ठिक छ, होइन के भयो भने त तपाईँको स्लाइड त तपाईँ अब यो रेकर्डेड पनि हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ, साथीहरूले पनि सेयर गर्नु भने स्लाइडहरूले स्क्रिनसट सेयर गरिदिनुहुन्छ, डन्ट वरी। अब त्यो अब हामीले अब्जेक्टिभ क्वेसन अलिअलि जान्यो भने अब लेसन प्लानिङ कुराहरू हो होइन पढेको। अब पर्सि मैले अब्जेक्टिभ क्वेसनमा अलिक त बनाउँछु, अब्जेक्टिभ क्वेसन त 10 वटा मात्रै दिन्छु, तर अनि एउटा लेसन प्लानिङ गराउँछु नेक्स्ट डे। त्यसपछि हामी दुईटा क्वेसन, तीनटा क्वेसन गराउँछौँ यो चाहिँ। दिस इज अल, थ्याङ्क यू भेरी मच। अब द मर्निङ फ्रेङ्कली भन्ने हो भने अब फेरि क्याम्पस भएन भने एकछिन फेरि आराम गर्ने, त्यसपछि बल्ल अनि उठ्ने हो। क्याम्पस भयो भने त अब जानुपर्छ, आज क्याम्पस छैन, सो टाइम टु टेक रेस्ट अगेन। All right, thank you, goodbye.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
शुक्रराजी के अरे त्यो भिडियो हेर्नु होला अनि सर्ट स्क्रिन लिनु होला के, अनि एकजनालाई सेयरिङ गर्यो अर्कोलाई गरेन भन्ने हुन्छ होइन। डिस्क्रिप्सन हुन्छ नि त, त्यही भएर है शुक्रराजी के भन्ने हुनुहुन्छ नि भिडियो
हेर्नु है यो स्लाइड सो। अब त्यो सम्भवतः कहिले चाहिँ अब स्क्रिनशट गरिन्छ, कहिले गरिँदैन, यस्तै छ।
त्यो रेकर्ड हेरेर गर्नु के, त्यस्तो उ गर्नु डबल तपाईँहरूले त्यो भिडियो हेर्नलाई हामीलाई अझै बुझ्नको लागि पटक बुझ्नको लागि हो कि, खास गरी अल्छी नमान्नु होला, हेर्नु होला भन्न चाहन्छु।
आज पढाएको जति तपाईँहरूले स्लाइड सो त स्क्रिनसट त गर्नु त्यसमा म्यासेज हो, मानिकन दुखान नमानिकन त्यसरी ग्रुपमा राखिदिनु भए छुट्टिएकोलाई सहज होला कि भनेर हो मैले है। मेरो चाहिँ आज एपको समस्या भएर के अरे एपमा जोइन पनि भएन, अनि
मैले स्क्रिनशट गरेको छैन है आज।
अशोक सर
भन्नुहोस् गुरु।
के भन्नुभयो?
के अरे मैले अस्तिको
पहिला मिलाउनु है कसको घर गएर आज पहिला मिलाउनु, अनि त्यसपछि
त्यो कसरी मेसेन्जरमा चाहिँ
के भन्नुभयो?
त्यो अस्तिको साउट चाहिँ मैले पाएन के, अनि त्यो मेसेन्जरमा चाहिँ कसरी के गर्नुपर्ने हो?
मेसेन्जरमा हाम्रो साथीहरू जो ग्रुपमा हुनुहुन्छ उहाँलाई पठाएर चाहिँ जोइन भयो हुन्छ। कसैले राखिदिनु भएको हुन्छ कि कसैले राख्नु भएको हुँदैन, यस्तै छ त्यो। अब कहिले स्क्रिनशट गरिन्छ, कहिले गरिँदैन, यस्तै छ गुरु।
अशोक सर्बत आएको कि शुक्रराज बहादुरबाट आएको, बेलीजीबाट आएको हो यो साउन्ड चाहिँ। चार्ज गर्दै नचलाउनुहोस् न एकताल।
हेलो
हेलो भन्नु न।
अनि सुन्नु हजुर, खाना किन मिस के सुकुवार सरको बोल्नुभयो?
हजुर भन्नु।
आज के पढाउनु भएको र खास?
हजुर
हजुरहरूसँग होला नि त नि है, होइन र?
खोइ आवाज नै राम्रोसँग सुनेन।
ए आजको स्क्रिनसट त हजुरहरूसँग त छ
ए गरिसके हो।
राखिदिनु भए राम्रो हुन्थ्यो भन्ने कुरा हो। त्यो कहिले गराए हुँदैन भन्ने कुरा गर्नुभयो जिना मिसले। अनि स्क्रिनसटबाटै लेखेको हुन्छ, स्क्रिनसट गरेरै पढ्ने हो नि त। त्यो छ भने चाहिँ